I'm Nick. Welcome to Get Out and Wrench. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on everything I've been doing. If you like it, you don't like it, let me know. Today we're continuing our work on the 91 Camaro. Since the last video, I came out here and I put some high build primer on the corners just to make the welds look a little nicer, and then down in the battery trays. So the welds they're not perfect, but they're not as noticeable. And once I get some black paint on it, which is what I'm going to do today, I'm going to just scuff the front. And then I got this Rust-Oleum high performance enamel in the semi-gloss black. I'm going to spray that on the front just so it looks nice. I like to use semi-gloss under the hood because I feel like flat black doesn't look that great underneath the hood, and gloss black just is too much. So the semi-gloss has a nice sheen to it where it's not glossy but it's not flat, so it gives you a nice factory look. So that's what I'm going to do today, and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, well, that's going to do it for today. I got this all one color for the most part. I got to do body seam sealer in the back over there. I'm going to let this dry. I'll come back and do that. And then we could start reassembly. I still got to do the fenders. I still got to paint the fenders. So I'll do that, and I'll probably do the seam sealer and the fenders in the same video, just to make it easier. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get out of my garage before I suffocate. I'm Nick. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, share, subscribe button. Comment below any tips, pointers, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. If this rebuild process is getting you motivated to work on your own project, let me know that too. That's really what I'm going for here, is to motivate people to get out and work on their stuff. It's the whole point of my channel. It's why it's called Get Out and Wrench. It's for me to show that it's easy to go out and just work on whatever you got. I'm Nick. Get Out and Wrench.